Steepbox is a subscription box company that aims to deliver curated, taste-tested and hand-picked specialty teas from the finest plantations around the world straight to your doorstep anywhere in South Africa. A core focus of our business is in jumping into the tea culture and becoming your own connoisseur. The Honda H1 multi-cab vehicle we'll use for 3 reasons. We will use it to deliver our Steepboxes throughout the Cape Peninsula region and share our love for good quality loose leaf tea. Secondly, we will brand the vehicle to promote Steepbox and our involvement in corporate social responsibility, which is our commitment to access to clean water in South Africa. And thirdly, to be honest, everybody loves a good cup of tea, and how else will we deliver those whistling kettles, those cute teapots and those pretty little teacups?